Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll share with you another new airdrop, and the name of the project is Xeffy. So basically Xeffy is a platform that helps users earn yield through DeFi and real world assets by providing investment and asset management tools in one place. So right now they have 88k followers, and the best part is they already raised a huge $20 million in funding. So that's a really big amount. Also, this project is backed by CSIC, which is another positive sign. They are expected to bring the TGE very soon. As you can see, they have confirmed the TGE for June. As for the tokenomics, around 23% has been reserved for the community. That means 23% of the total token supply will be distributed as an airdrop. Overall, the project looks strong with solid backing. Before joining the airdrop, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe and turn notifications on for the latest videos. And most importantly, join our Telegram channel where I share all the latest crypto news and updates. All links are in the description, so check them out. They launched the airdrop campaign in a Telegram mini app, so you need to join via Telegram. So I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description where you will find this bot link. So to join the airdrop, first click on start, then click on play, and then click on launch app. After that, it will ask you to connect your Twitter account. So click on connect X, then again click on connect X. It will redirect you to your browser where you need to authorize your Twitter account. Once authorized, it will redirect you back to the bot and your Twitter account will be successfully linked. Next, click the done button. Next, you need to follow Xeffy on Twitter. So click on open on X, then follow their profile and done. Next, you need to retweet their post. So click on open, then retweet this post and done. Next, you need to join their Telegram channel. So click on join, then join their channel and done. Then click on next. Now you need to join their Discord server. So click on join, then accept the invite and solve the captcha. And then to verify, click this emoji. And after that, click on done. Now click on go to home and you will land on the mini app dashboard. So first there is a daily check-in option that you should complete every day. Since there are only a few days left for the task, make sure to check in daily. Next, here are a few daily missions which you also need to complete. For example, you need to click on go. Then here you need to comment on this post. So comment something, then go back to the bot and click on verify. You need to wait for the verification. Also, don't forget to complete other tasks as well. Next, click on the general section, and here also you will find some basic tasks which you must complete to earn points. So don't forget to complete all these tasks. Here at the top you will see how many points you have earned, and here you will see your completed tasks, and here you will see your total referrals. To refer users, here at the top you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends to boost your points. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like and share this video. And if you are new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.